Hello, travelers! Packing for a trip can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're diving into the top 10 travel hacks to help you pack efficiently for your next trip. These tips will save you space and time, making your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. So let's embark on a journey of tidy packing and joyful travels. Imagine this. You've meticulously packed your suitcase, but alas, your favorite scarf, the one that sparks so much joy, gets crumpled at the very bottom. To prevent such a tragedy, always start with the essentials. Begin by laying out everything you deem absolutely necessary for your trip. This could include your passport, wallet, phone charger, essential toiletries, and a change of clothes. By packing these items first, you ensure they have a designated space and are less likely to be forgotten. As you place each essential item into your suitcase, take a moment to appreciate its purpose in your upcoming journey. Visualize yourself using each item, feeling a sense of gratitude for their ability to support you on your adventures. Remember, packing is not just about fitting items into a bag, it's about curating a collection of things that will spark joy and enhance your travel experience. So, prioritize those essential items that bring you peace of mind and set the foundation for a joyful and well-prepared journey. Packing cubes. These little wonders are about to become your new best travel companions. Imagine opening your suitcase to find your clothes neatly organized, each item in its designated compartment. Packing cubes make this a reality, transforming chaotic luggage into a structured haven of tidiness. Start by categorizing your clothing, tops, bottoms, underwear, socks, and assign each category a different packing cube. This not only keeps your belongings organized, but also compresses clothing, maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. As you fold each garment, visualize it bringing you comfort and joy during your trip. This mindful approach transforms packing from a mundane chore into an act of intention, ensuring that each item you pack sparks joy. With packing cubes, you'll experience a sense of calm and order every time you open your suitcase. No more rummaging or digging, just neatly arranged compartments ready to greet you with a sense of peace. Embrace the magic of packing cubes and witness the transformative power of organization on your travels. Let's talk about maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. The ultimate travel goals, wouldn't you say? The secret lies in the art of rolling your clothes instead of folding them. It might sound simple, but this technique is a game changer. Lay your garment flat, smooth out any wrinkles, and then fold it in half lengthwise. Now, imagine you're rolling up a delicate sushi roll, starting from one end and rolling tightly towards the other. This method not only saves precious space in your suitcase, but also prevents those dreaded creases from forming. As you roll each item, visualize it arriving at your destination wrinkle-free, ready to be worn and enjoyed. This mindful approach to packing allows you to infuse your belongings with positive energy, ensuring that they are ready to serve you well on your travels. So, ditch the traditional fold and embrace the magic of rolling. Your suitcase and your wrinkle-free wardrobe will thank you for it. Picture this. You're strolling through the airport, feeling confident and comfortable in your most stylish and, dare I say, bulkiest outfit. That's right, travelers. One of the simplest yet most effective packing hacks is to wear your heaviest items on the plane. Instead of cramming those bulky boots or that cozy jacket into your suitcase, embrace the opportunity to showcase your travel style while saving precious luggage space. Wearing your heavier items not only frees up space, but also eliminates the worry of them exceeding baggage weight limits. As you don your airport ensemble, choose items that spark joy and make you feel confident and ready for your adventure. Remember, packing is not just about efficiency. It's also about expressing your personal style and carrying yourself with grace and intention. So, embrace the airport as your runway, strut your stuff, and arrive at your destination feeling stylish, comfortable, and ready to explore. Every nook and cranny of your suitcase holds potential, a hidden world waiting to be maximized. Embrace the philosophy that empty space is an opportunity for efficient packing. Those seemingly insignificant gaps within your luggage are precious real estate just waiting to be utilized. Think of your suitcase as a puzzle, and those empty spaces are the missing pieces waiting to be filled. Tuck socks and underwear into your shoes, creating a snug and secure compartment while also maintaining the shape of your footwear. Use small pouches or Ziploc bags to store jewelry or other delicate items, utilizing every inch of available space. As you fill each empty space, visualize your belongings being held snugly and securely, protected from any potential jostling during transit. This mindful approach to packing ensures that your items arrive at their destination in pristine condition, ready to be enjoyed to the fullest. Remember, efficient packing is about maximizing every inch of space with intention and care, treating your belongings with the respect they deserve. In today's digital age, our electronic devices have become essential travel companions, accompanying us on every adventure. But let's be honest, those tangled cords and scattered gadgets can quickly turn into a chaotic mess. Fear not, fellow travelers, for the solution lies in a dedicated electronics organizer. This ingenious invention is designed to bring order and tranquility to your tech gear, transforming a tangled web of cords into a neatly arranged system. Imagine this. You open your bag, and instead of a chaotic jumble of wires, you're greeted by a symphony of organization. Your chargers, headphones, and adapters are all neatly tucked away in their designated compartments, easily accessible and ready to connect you to the digital world. An electronics organizer not only keeps your tech gear in check, but also protects it from scratches and damage during transit. As you arrange your electronics in their designated compartments, visualize the ease and convenience they will bring to your travels. No more frantic searching or tangled cords, just pure technological harmony. Let's talk about toiletries, those essential companions that keep us feeling fresh and confident, especially during our travels. But bulky bottles and overflowing toiletry bags? Not quite the streamlined travel experience we strive for. Here's where the magic of travel-sized toiletries comes in. These miniature versions of our everyday essentials are the epitome of efficiency and convenience, allowing us to maintain our routines without sacrificing precious luggage space. Imagine this. You open your toiletry bag, and instead of a chaotic jumble of bottles, you're greeted by a collection of perfectly sized essentials, each one a testament to the beauty of minimalism. From shampoo and conditioner to lotion and toothpaste, travel-sized toiletries allow us to pack light without compromising on our personal care rituals. As you select your travel-size essentials, opt for products that spark joy and align with your values. Remember, packing is not just about practicality, it's also about creating a travel experience that nourishes your mind, body, and soul. In the realm of efficient packing, versatility reigns supreme. Embrace this concept by packing a multi-purpose garment, a true chameleon of the wardrobe world. Imagine packing for a trip with varied activities, from exploring cities to relaxing on beaches. A sarong can transform from a beach cover-up to a stylish scarf to an elegant evening wrap. Efficient packing is about choosing items that offer maximum functionality and style, allowing you to travel with ease and grace. Before we zip up our suitcases and embark on our adventures, let's connect with the destination itself. Consider the energy of our belongings and the environment we'll be entering. Checking the weather forecast is an act of respect. Imagine arriving, greeted by sunshine and balmy breezes, only to realize you've packed for a snowstorm. Understand the climate to pack accordingly. Visualize enjoying the destination's weather. Packing with the weather in mind enhances our travel experience. As we prepare for our journeys, let's acknowledge the importance of those essential documents. Our passports, visas, tickets, these aren't just pieces of paper. They're keys to unforgettable experiences. Treat these documents with reverence, recognizing their role in our adventures. Imagine being at the airport, heart filled with anticipation, only to realize your passport is nowhere to be found. Prevent mishaps by designating a specific place for your documents. Visualize moving through airports with ease and grace. As we conclude our journey through the art of efficient packing, let's take a moment to reflect on the transformative power of organization and intentionality. By incorporating these simple yet effective packing hacks, we can create a more joyful and harmonious travel experience, freeing ourselves from unnecessary stress and allowing us to fully embrace the adventures that lie ahead. Remember, packing is not just about fitting as much as possible into a suitcase. It's about curating a collection of items that spark joy and enhance our travel experience. So the next time you prepare for a trip, approach the task with a sense of purpose and mindfulness, knowing that each item you pack is an investment in the quality of your journey. Safe travels and happy packing. Hope you enjoyed the calming meditation music during our session.